Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T Pro, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, before we will actually begin, just make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, because thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something or overcoming the limit. So after the internet connection, just enter the Play Store. And of course, you will have to be signed in. If you're not, you will have to do it right now. And after that, simply tap on the circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of apps which are currently installed on this device. And if you'd like to check the available updates for them, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, again, we've got the list of the updates which we can download. And basically, if you want to download 1 or 2 or 3, whatever, updates, and just mark them. So let me pick, for example, the Gmail update, Google Calendar, I don't know, and Google Chrome. That's all. And all you have to do right now is to simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, all of the updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically, you do not really need to do anything more. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.